Hi viewers, welcome to another video and you are watching Mechatronics channels, and today's video about the problem which you can see in front of you. You can see this is a battery warning is coming, but here you can see the voltages are 28.3 volt. But here's still battery warning is coming, and I am sitting inside the cabin of the Volvo 220H V-loader. Operator also complaining when he started the machine, and first 3 to 4 minutes machine not function properly. Sometimes it's not traveling, not forward, not worse, and sometimes it's boom not working. And so now I will go to the engine side and investigate the alternator. What is the issue to the alternator? Maybe the harness problem, or maybe the connector is loose. So whatever is this, in front of you, I will check the alternator and let you know what is the issue. Checking its diagnostic code, if any code is coming or not. So I will go down and check the any code. This is a vehicle message, so I will go and select this one. So in the vehicle message is coming first a battery not charging. Okay, this first line is battery not charging. This code is also coming. I will select it. So this code is coming. Error code is a C101500. Code is active. Source is HMICU, mean human machine interface control unit. Okay, so this number of events is 127 times it has occurred, this code. So I'm going to check this code. So I'm check alternator. What is the issue, this one? So here you can see now I have come to the engine side, and here's my alternators here. So here's checking the wire. This battery wire is a fully tight, is a good one. This is also negative, is also okay. I check this connector, this connector, but I need to check here wire here. Okay, so I'm going to off camera here. I will remove this tape and check here. Maybe here is the some issue. So I'm going to off camera. Here you can see I have removed this connector and checking. Here was the only problem. This wire is already connected. This wire was broken. This already was as connected here, not any issue. I also checked this wire have little issue. This is a little cut here. Okay, so I will fix tape here. There is not any issue. Okay, so this wire, I removed this wire here. This wire is before is a here tape was here. I removed this one, but this wire is not a battery warning wire. This middle one wire, this you can see green yellow. This wire is the for battery warning, but I check this wire is not broken. This is a good one. Okay, it's not any issue here. So I'm going to fix this tape and fix back this connector properly, and will check if the problem not solved, then I will check my regulator. Okay, so maybe regulator has a problem, but first I fix this tape here, then fix the connector properly. So here you can see I have properly put the tape. Okay, but one thing is that here is the one lock, but lock is missing here. So maybe due to the lock missing is not, maybe this alternator is a little maybe loose. So I will put properly tie here. So here you can see I have fixed this cable tie, because lock is missing here. This is not lock, so I put this cable tie and also clean this connector. So I have fixed back. I will go inside cabin and check my problem is finished or not. My problem is not finished, then I check the harness properly. Maybe somewhere is problem also, but first I go in cabin and check. So yes, now you can see now I am inside the cabin and I'm going to on the machine. So machine is in an on position, so I'm going to start it. So machine is started. Okay, can see now is a sign has finished. So this means that connector was loose, not a harness. The connector was loose. So now I show you. I will go inside my code. I check this is the first I go to the is electrical system. So electric system is already, you can see this problem is a 28.4343 voltage is coming. Okay, so I accelerated. So now is okay. Okay, so now this battery voltage is not come. Now battery warning is has finished. Okay, so not battery warning is coming now. So I will go to my messages. So go down. I'm going to message server message. So now you can say this is a brake system failure is only coming. That battery code has finished. Okay, connector has not locked, so I put my cable tie. Okay, so not harness problem. The so was my connector was loose, so my problem is finished. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget my subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.